Assalamualaikum grade 9. Hopefully you all will be fine. Today date is 26th August 2020. It's my 37th lecture and day is Wednesday. I am going to revise parts of speech. Noun is first part of speech and you have done it on your notebook. Kinds of noun: proper noun, common noun, abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun, possessive noun, regular plural noun, irregular plural noun. So these are the 8 kinds of noun. You know the definitions of all of these noun, and you know what is noun. Noun is the naming word, the word we use for the name of person, place or a thing. See, proper and common noun is also called concrete noun. So concrete noun are the noun which we can see and touch. जितने भी noun जिनको हम देख सकते हैं या touch कर सकते हैं, these nouns are called concrete noun. And proper and common nouns are the example of concrete noun. So I have written concrete noun here. So proper noun is used for the proper person, place or thing as the specific person, place or thing. यानी किसी खास शख्स, जगह या चीज़ का नाम अगर हम लिखेंगे तो वो प्रॉपर नाउन होगा. सच एज आहद, सारा, लाहौर, पाकिस्तान. These are the name of a specific person, place or a thing. Then common noun. Common noun are used for the common person, place or thing. Such as ahad. Ahad is a boy, so boy is common noun. We use boy for all male members. Next is Sara. Sara is a girl. Lahore is a city, and Pakistan is a country. So we can write any country name, any city name, any girl or boy name. So it will be common noun. And if we are writing the name of boy, girl, city or country, it will be proper noun. Abstract noun are those noun which we can feel, we cannot touch. Concrete noun को हम टच कर सकते हैं, लेकिन abstract noun को हम टच नहीं कर सकते. Such as boy, beauty, ugly, honesty. All of these nouns are abstract noun. We cannot touch these things, we just feel it. Collective noun are used for the group or the group of things such as school, class, bunch, colony, jury. So all of these nouns are collective noun. हम किसी भी ग्रुप के लिए collectively जब हम या सबके लिए एक नाउन यूज़ करते हैं तो उसको हम collective noun कहते हैं. Compound noun. So if we join two noun to make one, it will be compound noun. Such as notebook. So note is a noun and book. Notebook, we combine two noun to make one. Whiteboard, color book. So all of these nouns are compound noun. Possessive noun, we use apostrophe, such as boy's house. We use apostrophe s and then we write such boy is a noun, house is a noun. So we use an apostrophe to show the possession. यानी इस boy की possession को show करने के लिए हमने s लगाया है. That's why it's possessive noun. Teacher's book. Regular plural noun. Regular means we write s or es with the noun to make plural is called regular plural noun. यानी अगर हमने s या es लगाया है किसी भी noun को plural बनाने के लिए तो वो regular plural noun होगा. इस तरह cat से हमने cats बनाया है, book से हमने books बनाया है. Girl change into girls, boy change into boys. We are just put s to make plural noun. These are called regular plural noun. Irregular plural noun. In irregular plural noun we write change plural, such as man is singular, we write men as plural. Woman, we write women. Foot change into feet. Child change into children. So all whenever we write change plural noun, these nouns are called irregular plural noun. Now I have given you an activity as a home task. You have to revise all kinds of noun and learn their definitions with example. Then you have to do this activity, identify kinds of noun in these given sentences. I have given you 10 sentences and you have to identify the kind of noun, such as the book is lying on the table. So book is a noun. You have to tell me what kind of noun book is. Love begets love. You have to tell what noun of what love stands here, what kind of noun here. We cannot live without water. So you have to tell the kind of noun water, what kind of noun water is. The jury has given its verdict. Jury, yeah. Alcohol is injurious to health. I have underlined health. Smoking is a bad habit. I have underlined habit. Wild animals live in forest. So animals, the childhood of Shams was full of mystery. So childhood I have underlined. All the girls were singing. I have underlined girls. Gold is a precious metal. I have underlined gold. So you have to do this activity and you have to revise all kinds of noun with example and definition. Allah Hafiz class.